The following graph gives information about frogs. According to the picture, I can see a small tadpole. From the picture, the tadpole is growing bigger and bigger. Moreover, the tadpole is swimming in a river. Lastly, the tadpole has finally grown into a frog. To sum up, the graph tells about frogs. The following graph gives information about a map of the world. According to the picture, I can see the colors are blue and black. From the picture, Asia and Europe are in the map. Moreover, there are two other continents, North America and South America. Lastly, Oceania and Africa are also among the continents. To sum up, the graph tells about a map of the world. The following graph gives information about finding a job. According to the picture, I can see the first step is self-assessment. From the picture, the next step is resume building. Moreover, the following step is application submission. Lastly, the final steps are interviewing and feedback. To sum up, the graph tells about how to find a job. The following graph gives information about winemaking. According to the picture, I can see that the first step is harvesting. From the picture, the second step is crushing and pressing. Moreover, the following steps are fermentation and clarification. Lastly, the final steps are aging and bottling. To sum up, the graph tells about winemaking. The following graph gives information about how a user connects to the internet. According to the picture, I can see ISP, DNS server, and web server. From the picture, a user connects to website IP. Moreover, a user needs to request web page to connect to web server. Lastly, DNS server returns IP to ISP. To sum up, the graph tells about how a user connects to the internet. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos.